Alexis Sunshine 83, it's always sunny here.
Hey Sunshiners, Alexis Sunshine 83 right here. Hello, super sunny day. What is up? Happy Wednesday. So basically I've talked about this, but my goal for the summer is to learn how to sew. It is not summer yet. So with today being a thrift flip, I'm gonna do or try to do 3 different no-sew thrift flips. I went on YouTube, searched no-sew thrift flips, and I found 3 different ones that seem kind of easy. Like, I can't even draw in a straight line, use scissors in general. I don't even own scissors. The 3 different thrift flips that I'm gonna be attempting is number 1. This one is by Drew Scott. He rolled up the sleeves and then like just did a needle and thread in like 3 different places to keep the sleeves rolled up. Number 2, I'm gonna find some thrifted denim jeans and cut them into shorts. And then thirdly, I am going to do this really cool thrift flip by Melanie Locke, and she like with this like tape thing, I don't even know how she did it. Probably should find out because I'm going to be doing it. But anyway, that one I really want to try. So I am now going to take you guys with me to Savers and Joann Fabrics. I kind of feel like a toddler in this look, so I figured I would put on my Doc Martens to make me look more grungy. We made it! All I'm looking for and all that I am getting is a oversized sweatshirt, a t-shirt, and jeans. Only 3 things I'm getting. Okay, so we need to find like mom jeans, like kind of oversized, but not like too oversized. Oh, this is a really nice wash. Look at their low rise. Oh my gosh. What in the world? Slight pause on the jean department because I went to the guys section to look at their jeans, but there's no jeans in my size, so I have to go back to the girls section. So now I'm in the sweatshirts since I'm already over here. I don't know, just like a crew neck type sweatshirt that I can crop. Well, I really tried to do this without getting a cart, but I grabbed a lot, and I am only gonna buy 3 things, but I gotta try this stuff on. I think I found a good sweatshirt, and I also found some Levi's that I'm hoping will fit me and will also be high-waisted. So now I'm looking at the t-shirts, and I grabbed a couple, but I don't love them, so I kind of want to just like find a good one, fingers crossed. It's so cute. Seriously striking out with the t-shirts, but I did come across this. So pretty, but I mean, come on, $28? Are you kidding me? But it is really cute. But I'm not gonna get it. So I did end up spending more than I would have liked, but I only bought 3 things for that ended up being $17, which I mean, it's not bad. I ended up getting some Levi's, so that's mostly why, which I think is pretty awesome, but they were like $10. But yeah, I'm gonna grab a Starbucks, even though it doesn't seem like it. I'm running low on energy. Okay, so we made it back. I just changed because I was like, oh, I'm gonna have to like try on these clothes, like I'm wearing overalls and do it. It's just a lot. So yeah, I got the clothes right here. I figured we'll start off with the hardest thrift flip, so then we can end on the easiest. There will be a happy ending. So I got this sweatshirt. There weren't that many sweatshirts, which I was like kind of upset about. There were a lot of like plain ones, and I was like, no, I want like a graphic one. So I really like this color because it's like green and it was only $3.49. It isn't a large. Basically, I want to kind of crop it, and then that way it'll like cinch. I got knit elastic, heel and stick fabric fuse. Don't really know where my iron is, so this one just said I have to kind of like stick it on. I'm going to first figure out where the heck I want to crop this, put this on, but leave enough space in between for this. Got a little hole right there. Okay, it's definitely not perfect. Cutting fabric is like doing your eyeliner. Like, you start doing it, it's going great, then one's a little bit more intense than the other, so you make the other one a little bit more intense, and then it's too intense, and then that one becomes too intense, and then before you know it, your eyes are black. And basically what I'm going to do is kind of like fold it like that. End up putting this in there, so it's gotta be like big enough for it. I made this part like too thin, so the elastic will not go in. It technically is cropped. I mean, So obviously that did not turn out how it was supposed to, so I'm doing everything that I already said I did, again with a different sweatshirt, but this time I'm just leaving enough room for the elastic to go through. Okay, I kind of got it, and then you just want to make it so then it's like that crinkled look. Oh my god, it actually worked. Holy moly. That way you don't really have to tuck in your chunky sweatshirts. So next, what I'm gonna do is just like cuff the sleeves. I have some needles and I have some thread. I am just going to fold it, so I'm gonna cuff it how I want it, and then do like just small little indents with the needle. So obviously I did not explain that well whatsoever. Basically, I'm taking that needle and thread, I'm going from the inside of the sleeve to the outside, back to the inside, to the outside, and again, basically just to make sure it keeps the sleeve cuffed. And I did that in 3 different places on the actual sleeve, and yeah. And the good part, because it's like white, and like white thread and all that jazz, then you can't see it. I'm actually doing something right. Yeah, they're like super secure. Yes. Look at this look. Look at this look. And then lastly, we are ending hopefully with a bang. So I originally got these 505 Levi's, but the way that they fit, they become tight right where I was thinking about cutting the shorts into, and like, I don't know, I just don't think those would look very good, so I'm actually gonna keep these. I have these jeans that I've literally, I think they were my very first thrifted jeans, and I've already tried to DIY them, so I figured it was time, especially because they are high-waisted and they're a little bit loose. And I'm going to take some shorts that I already love the length of and just put those on top of that and cut it, because trying to freehand this whole cutting thing ain't working out. I think I am going to maybe cut them like a tiny bit longer just in case I mess up. This is what this looks like. Kind of start like taking out the thread just to make it look a little bit like grungier and not in like a perfect-ish line. And also you could like use some tweezers, but I don't know where my tweezers are, so. I think these actually turned out really well, especially because I hadn't worn these jeans probably for the past like 5 months. I'm pretty happy about this, especially since summer is coming on up. The only thing I do have to say is I think the front is a little bit longer than the back, but like I think they are so awesome. These ones are a little bit loose, so I definitely like have to put a belt with them, but you know, this video went better than I thought, but not as good as I hoped. I destroyed one sweatshirt, but then renewed another. I'm very proud about myself, and this is the start of my thrift flip journey. My like first time actually like putting an effort into it, so definitely keep that in mind. If you would like me to continue to try to do like thrift flips and DIYs, make sure you give this video a thumbs up so like I know to do them. And also if you do like thrifting videos, thrift hauls, thrifting with me's, make sure that subscribe right down below and hit that little bell to be notified every time I make a new video. And to keep up to date with me during the week, make sure you're following me on Instagram and Twitter at LexandShane83. I will see you guys this sunny Sunday with a brand new video. Thank you for coming along this journey with me. I learned something, and hopefully you did as well, that I cannot cut in a straight line. I totally didn't say my last part. Enjoy life, be happy, and I love you lots. Bye.